Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet. And here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. Appreciate you guys a bunch. So if you don't follow me on TikTok or Instagram yet, I'm gonna put my account up here so you can find me there, and comment on one of my posts for automatically follow back. And the link also for my social media is going to be on the description of this video. So today's video, get excited, we're going to be unboxing and trying on some cool frames from zeelool. I don't know if you guys ever heard of them. They have some amazing frames, so we're going to be unboxing, trying on, and talking about. So let me put this down so I can show you guys one by one. So the first pair we're going to be trying on is going to be this pair here, and he's called Winston. Okay, so that's how the glasses come on a little like a suede kind of material bag, and they do come with a little glass cleaning cloth. So they do come like with the plastic protecting the frame. So I'm just going to remove these. Okay. And they also come with like a plastic on the sides protecting the hardware of the frame. So you just pull it off. Show you guys a close shot of the frame, just bear with me. Okay, so this is the frame like close by, very beautiful, very sleek. This one is called Winston. So let's try it on. And these glasses are blue light protective, so if you're somebody like me who are in front of the screen a lot, when I'm not filming in front of the camera and the computer in front of me or under the lights, I am in front of my computer editing, or I'm on my phone like everybody else. So don't judge, please. So these blue light glasses are very good for protect our eyes, not only the health of your eyes alone, but you know, also the delicate skin around the eyes, which especially me, I care a lot about that. So the glass is very beautiful, very comfortable on the face, and very fashionable. The quality looks really good, very well made. And this glass, you definitely can dress it up or dress it down. You can use this with most dress up clothes, or you can dress with a more like a casual look, because it's such a beautiful frame, you know. And you can get this beauty here in prescription if you wear prescription glasses, which is great if you wear prescription, right? And the price is the best part of these glasses. The price, they are so affordable. You know, they are so affordable that you can have a couple of different pairs in prescription if you wear a prescription, or if you like the light frame, that too. But they're very beautiful, it's sleek, very well made, very beautiful, very feminine, this one. Love it. Definitely is one of my favorite, this one, because with all the color. And I'm going to have the link for this beauty down, and I'm not sure if I have a discount code. If I do, also it's going to be down in the description of this video for you guys. So let's go to our next pair so this video don't get so long. So this pair here is called Dennis in light turquoise. So very beautiful too. It's more like if you want to wear like light beige clothes, this glasses definitely goes with. It's like a heavy color frame, and the color material on this one have more like a matte finish, and some like a gold finish in the middle. Very pretty too. Very beautiful. Also protect your eyes against blue light. What you guys think? So let me know in the comment below which one of these beauties are your favorite. I like a big frame. I don't know, just make, you know, very chic looking, very beautiful. So this is Dennis in light turquoise. One thing that I thought about the zeelool website is the price. It's really good for the quality of the glasses. If you want to buy these kind of glasses, you know, in some other places, you're definitely gonna pay a lot of money for. So the next pair that we have here, this one, it's called, this is the Malcolm Black. I actually got two. I got the black and champagne because I just love the frame. Oh, and this is so gorgeous. Oh my god, stop it, stop it, stop it. I love it. This, okay, I love the first, the floral one, transparent, but this one is just killing it. This one you can put it like all black, and this one, or you can put it like all nude because they have like they have lens. It's just very, very fashionable, very, you know, very sleek and elegant. You know, it's not a lot of going on, but just the lens, it speaks for itself. Love it. Look like $1 million baby. Love it. Very beautiful. Definitely this one is gonna be one of my favorite to wear on my everyday. So what you guys think? Gorgeous. All right, so this is Malcolm Black. If you guys decide to give it a try, gorgeous frame. The next one we're going to try here, it's called Alberta, and I love, you know, how gorgeous they are. Look at this, look at these glasses, how beautiful. Very beautiful. This one also is a light clear lens, and like I said, guys, you can get all these shades in prescription if you need it, or in different lens, because they have, you know, some of them light to darker shade, but it's gorgeous. This one is Alberta. Very strong too, you know, if you see, it's a very, very strong, very steady pair of glasses. You know, it's not like some glasses that you touch and it's not steady enough. This one actually is very steady. And I love also the fit, that actually is a big sunglasses, but it does not falling out of your face, and I do have a very small face, so that's a problem with me. When I get some big sunglasses, they're always falling off my face and I never end up using them. But these ones actually, it's very, very good, very nice fit. All right, this one is called Brenda dark blue. The frames comes very well protected, which is nice. Brenda in dark blue, gorgeous, love it. Very unique frame, very beautiful, elegant. Is still, you can also dress up or dress down. Love it. All right, this is Brenda in dark blue. As you guys can see, it's very beautiful, very fashionable, very elegant, very well made, and also the price is really good. Oh, this is our last but not least. This is the Malcolm. Remember the Malcolm Black that I loved it? That was my favorite of all of them. Oh my god, this glass is so beautiful. Okay, shut the front door. Remember, like I said, you can dress the Malcolm Black all in black because it's gonna be so chic, so elegant, so gorgeous. You can dress this one all in like I don't know, a caramel or tan or a nude outfit. My god, it's just gonna be gorgeous for, I don't know, go to the mall, go to the brunch, go out, go to the beach, go anywhere, because it's so beautiful. Love it. I just love like the teasing part of the half length. Just stunning. Tell me that this shade is not stunning. Tell me. Don't do it, don't say that's not, because I'm gonna beat you. Gorgeous. This is our last pair, last but not least. I do love all and each one of them. They're gorgeous, and I'm going to have the link down description of this video for zeelool if you guys want to give them a try. They are gorgeous, and you guys see they have gorgeous shade. But this one and the Malcolm Black, this is the Malcolm Champagne, both of them were my favorites. Definitely all of them were my two favorites. Love it. Hope you guys love as much as I did. So I'm going to have the link for zeelool on the description of this video if you guys decide to give them a try. Like I said, they have amazing price, and now they have a lot of sales going on, you know, with all the holiday stuff coming out. So don't be bashful, go there and stock up on your lens, on your shades, you know. Love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to have the link for zeelool in the description of this video. And you let me know in the comments below which one of them was your favorite. I see you guys next video. Bye.